Meaning of gas chamber.
Gas chamber.
Gas chamber.
Gas chamber.
Gas chamber. The term gas chamber refers to a method of killing people or animals through the use of poisonous gases. The most infamous use of gas chambers was during the Holocaust, where millions of Jews, Roma, and other marginalized groups were murdered in gas chambers by the Nazis. Gas chambers work by releasing lethal gas into an enclosed space, causing the occupants to suffocate and die. The use of gas chambers as a method of execution is also controversial, as some argue that it is a cruel and unusual punishment.